Want to learn Cantonese anywhere, anytime? Get the Innovative Language 101 app for free.
Hi everybody, I'm Olivia. Welcome to Ask a Teacher, where I'll answer some of your most common Cantonese questions. The question for this lesson is watching movies useful for learning Cantonese? The answer is yes. The movie industry in Hong Kong has been one of the most successful worldwide, especially during the second half of the 20th century. Let's see some of the most famous Cantonese movies. Hong Kong cinema has received international recognition through the work of the director Wong Kar-wai, whose 2046 is one of the best films of the last 10 years. The movie Infernal Affairs, 無間道, was remade into a Hollywood movie called The Departed. The Fist of Fury and Way of the Dragon, Bruce Lee, are movies you do not want to miss. Moreover, Stephen Chow's movie Kung Fu Hustle and The King of Comedy are top-grossing films. Local martial artist stars such as Jackie Chan and Bruce Lee are known globally. Many Hong Kong actors have transitioned to Hollywood over the years as well, including Chow Yun-fat and John Woo. Other famous actors are Tony Leung Chiu-wei, Stephen Chow, Josephine Xiao, Maggie Cheung, and so on. Finally, did you know that there is something equivalent to the American Academy Awards in Hong Kong? It's the Hong Kong Film Awards, which is called 香港電影金像獎. How was it? Pretty interesting, right? Do you have any more questions? Leave them in the comments below and I'll try to answer them. See you next time!